Hey there, Vangabonders. On this episode, you're gonna watch us fabricate for the first time. Alright. So the inner dog leg, I've clamped it into place with a couple of vice grips. The Clocker Home replacement panels are crap, so they don't have this inner structure, which is necessary to hold this dog leg up. So we're gonna have to fabricate that out of some 20 gauge and also cut this out and create this bend so I could create the overbend, create this bend and weld all that in, and then we'll get the dog leg tacked into place. It's at about the height that I think it's supposed to be. I think it'll work out somehow.
This is not working out.
This isn't working out either. I don't know what the f I'm doing. I've scribed it. Hopefully that's the correct angle. As you can see, it's not the best fit, but it'll work, I think. Now we clamp the dog leg back into place and see where we got to cut this to meet the dog leg. So I could mark where to cut it. Yeah, something like that. That's marked. Let me clamp it. Here we kind of have it coming together. I'm gonna go ahead and score it. Lol. I gotta cut into that edge there. So this right here is my first ever fabricated piece. We're gonna try to weld it to the dog leg, like so. And then that'll give us something to weld the dog leg to the frame, and then the skin goes over it. Let's see how that goes. Now we gotta try to bend this little piece upwards here. Maybe I can get that corner tacked in once that cools off a little bit. I mean, that's pretty minty. A little bit bigger of a gap than I would like there, but I could trim this off here a bit. Close that gap down there. We might just have to build. Oops. Custom dog leg right there. I'm going ahead and giving it tacks in the back since that side doesn't really matter. And then I think I'm just gonna seam seal this, POR 15 seam seal it. I don't think it'll rust. Just gonna take my time with it now. Tune in about, when the sun's down, I should have this all welded up and ground down nice and good. I'm kind of just grinding this for brownie points because this is only gonna be visible from the inside of the wheel well. But, excuse me. Don't want it to be too ugly. I might grind those inside welds too a little bit, and then I'm gonna seam seal it. So technically no water should be able to get in there and start causing rust. So in order to weld the back of the dog leg, I gotta remove the wheel and get in the wheel well. Not super excited about it, but it must be done, so here we go. I've drilled out the spot welds. I don't know if that's the right size. I read that the best spacing is 20 times the thickness of your metal. Anyways, half an inch came out to the conclusion. I'm gonna get my piece to fit correctly. If you like what you're seeing so far, make sure to subscribe to the channel and follow along in the process of rebuilding this bus, welding custom panels, and just getting it rust-free. And if you've watched this far, thank you so much for watching, and please leave a comment. I like my coffee black. I would appreciate it greatly. Also, like the video, kiss the video, hit the bell notification, and stay tuned for more episodes. In the next episode, you're gonna watch us to continue to fabricate stuff that I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm figuring it out. Also, if you like VW content and you enjoy watching these kinds of videos, make sure to check out the channel HandeyHopey. I'll post a link in the description. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.